Does this situation sound familiar to you? You love using a handheld drawing device like the Etch-a-Sketch, but it's just not the right fit for you. Maybe it has too large and complicated of a screen, or not enough protruding exposed wires, or doesn't even require one 9-volt battery? Well, do I have the product for you? Introducing the Etch-a-Sketchy.
This revolutionary new device features a 0.00006 megapixel screen, a disconnected joystick, and over 3 dozen exposed wires and components. Let's take a closer look and see how it works. To use the Etch-a-Sketchy, just plug in the 9-volt battery and watch the screen come to life. You can use the handheld joystick to move the pencil around the screen, horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. And when you want to start over, just give the device a hard jolt to erase. It's that easy. With the world at your fingertips, you can make all sorts of cool and quirky designs like these.
So what are you waiting for? Get your Etch-a-Sketchy now. Just $59.99 plus taxes, shipping, and handling. Order now.
Etch-a-Sketchy is not responsible for any electrocution, dizziness, shortness of breath, shortness of pants, temporary or permanent blindness or deafness, or spiritual awakenings resulting from use. 9-volt battery not included.